all packed up. We've left our site.
And we're heading into the historic Savannah, Georgia.
Turn left on Skidaway Island Park Road, then turn left to stay on Skidaway Island Park Road.
You know, yesterday we were trying our best to decide, should we go on into Savannah or should we stay there at the campground? And just looking at the little bit of blue sky that we have out here and the temperatures being so much warmer already, I think we made the right choice. Our next challenge is to find parking, which we're going to the Old Trolley company to park there so that we can take the trolley around and kind of get a good view of Savannah. We've been here before, but it's been a long time.
Hey, why don't you try to straighten up so you're right next to this guy?
Okay.
Instead of parking at an angle. Go slow, okay? Slower. Okay, stop.
We're good?
Yep, you're right on the fence.
Okay. Okay, let's see how she did getting me backed into here. Wow. I mean, inches to spare. Awesome. That's a good place to be right there. Do you even want to go? Do you want to go?
She is so excited about getting to go.
She's been trembling, hasn't she?
Yes. She was trembling because she thought we were gonna leave.
And we didn't know that they were pet friendly,
Yeah.
but she's so excited about getting to do this. This is going to be so cool. It's going to be so cool, isn't it, Maggie? Do you want to go?
And they tell us, get ready. Miniature horses, miniature pigs coming next as therapy. I can't wait.
Robert Smokes. I was born in Beaufort, South Carolina, in the year of 1839.
Well, the trolley ride was really interesting. It was something pretty cool to get to hear all the things about the city, and a good way to do that. And, you know, along with it came the ability to park the RV in a pretty safe location. And you have to pay to park here anyway, so really kind of a double header, good thing to do. Now we're just walking around the River Street area and trying to find something to eat or something interesting to do. Bob's Run.
And
Fanny's Run. We always say Marion's Run. All the choices of where to eat here today, one Lynn has picked out something for me.
Not sure if we're going to a restaurant with Maggie.
The Peach Cobbler Factory. keep going up this road. What do you think, Maggie? Should be 200 feet on the right up here. Can the pup come in? Come on in. Oh. Peach cobbler and ice cream here in Savannah. We're in Georgia. You have to get peaches, don't you? I think that's just a law. I think it's a rule somewhere. We took the trolley out to the river, and we're just meandering back on the streets now, and stopped to get a little snack, and then we'll make our way back over to the RV. So we're here enjoying our cobbling, and we happen to run into the owner of this establishment. She's really nice. She's going to get Maggie a pup cup.
Really, really good.
Happy dance worthy. Man.
She's never had a pup cup before.
Oh boy, you don't have to she's like, just bring it.
She's going to.
It's okay.
Oh,
What is it?
what's a little thing of peanut butter?
Oh.
Oh, you want to try some more?
Goodness. Would you like a cup of peanut butter instead?
You want a napkin?
Well, I'll leave this for you.
Tell us about the place. What made you start this?
So, my husband and I are both in the Coast Guard, and this is my last duty station. I loved it here, and we wanted to be more part of the community, and didn't want to work for other people.
Cool.
And so, this is what we did, and the community has been wonderful. We love meeting people from all over the place.
You get really good reviews. Just awesome
thank
reviews.
you.
And we'll do the
Very
same,
good.
but-
And
How long have you been open?
since January 14th.
Wow.
This year?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
And
That's
so we're, figuring stuff out. We got our seasonal items. We'll have new seasonal items starting December 1st.
This is the most popular thing?
The peach.
Peach cobbler.
That's what they're named for, yeah.
Yeah, it's in the name. We got it. Boy, I'll tell you, when we first opened, we'd run out sometimes. We didn't know.
Yeah.
Old people get real mad. It's like, you can run out of cherry. You can run out of blackberry. Do not run out of peach.
She's tired. Got it. Whipped cream.
Maggie's tired.
He's tired. We walked fast on the way back.
We made it on the trolley down to the river, and then we just kind of meandered back.
Yeah, it was educational little trolley. I'm not sure if I would have just chosen to walk around, I think.
But it wasn't exactly like it would have been free anyway. We would have had to pay probably $20 or so to park. So
Right, that's true.
you can park at the visitor center and pay by the hour there.
This is our last stop in Georgia.
We'll have a playlist of all the stops that we made in Georgia, as well as a wrap-up video to give you our thoughts on all those campgrounds.
But it won't be the last time we're going to be in Georgia, because we didn't even get to stay in half of the places that we wanted to stay. So I'm sure we'll be back, because it's been a wonderful trip.
Thanks for being part of it.